Hi, I'm Jillian Tinkell, and I am um, in my last two classes for the Educational Administration degree. I am also seeking my master's in special education through Fort Hays as well. So I'm kind of doing a dual master right now, but I'll be done with my Educational Administration degree in May. So looking forward to that. Um, my background that supports where I want to go with my degrees is I have been in the education world a little bit outside of the school system, and I've also been in the education world inside the school system. So before I came to the school district, I was an assistant behavior analyst working with children on the autism spectrum. So I worked in homes, but I also worked in the school system, but not for the school district. So I would go in and do like teachings and trainings to help paras in special education classrooms work with children who had autism on all different ranges. So um, it's kind of a hit or miss um, on school districts whether they let outside people come in and train their staff. But I was really fortunate to work on great teams outside the school district, and the school districts were so welcoming to allow us to come in. My strengths and weaknesses for finance, I can't really say I have any strengths. Math has always been hard for me. Um, Finance, especially, is very hard, and I think that's why I left this to be one of my last classes because it's hard, and I know that it's going to challenge me, but it'll be great in the position that I hold. When I am done with my master's in special education, I'm hopefully wanting to take a job as a special education director at the administration level. So hopefully finance will help me when it comes to sped budgets and classroom budgets and all of that. So I would say my weaknesses are just math in general. Like I said, I've never been good at math. When I get it, I feel confident, but um, that's about all. So, a little bit about me. I'm a high needs special education teacher in a K through 2 building in a small town called Wamego here in Kansas. I have a 2-year-old little boy who will be 3 next month, and yeah, that's it. I've been married to my husband for almost 7 years. So, yeah, it's exciting. We love our little town. I love to be outside playing with him, so hopefully the weather will warm up so we can spend our time outside. So, I look forward to meeting all of you and getting through this class together. Have a good evening.